lead, this right here, will hook to the pole, and then another lead will go to the battery. And I saw another lead laid around that earlier. Oh, okay. So basically, it a pole goes up.
Yeah.
That makes sense?
You gotta have a
And
pole.
between these two right here, we need a pole.
It's all in there. Everything's in there.
Is that a pole right there?
No, that's a pole in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a pole in there.
Hey, Brian. Brian,
Yeah.
them pots, them smudge pots, right?
Huh?
Them smudge pots, right?
No.
What?
Derrick lamps. Old
Huh?
Derricks.
Do what?
Derrick lamps, old Derricks.
Oh, just a lamp?
Huh?
Just a lamp?
I just lights for old Derrick back in 1800 before Alexander created electricity.
Okay.
That's what they used.
For the
So
light.
Alexander invented electricity, so they done away with them.
Okay.
You got a little gas to pour in here, some kind of little container or something, or just fill that up with gas, whatever.
I got some over in jug. We need some.
Well, it really don't make any
Ain't nothing in this.
Need to put some gas into here.
Yeah, I don't, you know.
I'm doing pretty good. How you doing?
pushed it back. I was like, don't stop at that motor. Don't stop at that motor. And it did.
Look at that one. I always said I want to take this one there, but this one is all original.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice all original car you got there. Inline 6 run just as smooth.
You know, the funny thing about this car is I live here in New York City, right?
Yeah.
And I got 2 big old TVs, so I got a couple of them. I would come back after a few weeks, nothing will start.
Yeah.
But this.
Yeah.
And then today, it's like put me out right next door.
Yeah. That's the way I daily drive a 51 Packard. And that's the way it is all the time, fire right up. Unless you let it sit for about 6 weeks and then it won't start.
Yeah.
And
This one's been sitting for about 6 weeks.
yeah.
I was out in California.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move it to this time over there.
Yeah. I got a 51 Packard, I got a 53 Packard and 63 Impala.
Oh, nice. Yeah, this is 66.
Yep. And my 63 Impala, I haven't went and got it yet. It's still up in Illinois. It has a 230 straight six, and it's all original. It's like it's all original.
Those Impalas, they were nice.
Yeah.
I had when I was in high school, my mom drove
Yeah.
like a 76 Impala.
Yeah.
Man, I don't remember what engine it had in it, but I borrowed it for a date.
Yeah.
When I get down the driveway, I go in, I flip that breather.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Water jet.
Good, man.
This way, my Packard that I've got, I swapped the door barrel on it, and it's got a straight 8 in it. And it's got 396 foot-pounds of torque. And the whole, if you trump it in high, the whole car will lean up to one side. It'll pick one side of it up from the torque.
That's great. All right, I'm gonna move this bad boy.
All right. Good talking to you. Yep. Yeah, I ain't too far.
Yeah, that's me. I'm an artist. I make custom guitars and stuff for
Oh,
country music folks.
Okay.
My card's kind of a joke. I have a big old knife off my desk and threatened me with it. And so my wife said, "You need a business card," and I made that.
Yeah.
She's like, "That's not what I meant."
yeah, you don't mind being on YouTube though, do you? That's what I'm on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm all over this now.
Yeah.
All right, brother.
Yep. Good to meet you. What do we got here? Old Caterpillar. We got 20. This has got street pads on it. And still got the old oil pressure gauge. Steering clutches move, shifter moves, clutch is there. Original carb. I'd say it's probably stuck. It's a pretty solid old tractor though. I'd like to have it. Some kind of old car back there. I believe I know where that car came from. There's a steam engine over there, and I believe I know where that came from too. I think both of those came from the Days Gone By museum. This, I don't know where this came from. This is a generator engine. You can see the rest of it over there. Part of the sawmill. I bet all of it's there. There's a boiler over there. I had to come see this old cat sitting down here. I believe the last time I was down here this was sitting over there, so I think they moved it. Old crank handle seat. Somebody snapped it off trying to crank it. A lot of mud in that radiator. 4-cylinder, big 4-cylinder. can't remember where they put the serial number on these. Down here. No. Serial number tag may be on this side, and I can't get to that side. But I'm down here at the Marathon Motor Works in Nashville. There's a little engine show they're having down here. I wanted to get a serial number off of this, but can't find it. It's got the original Eisman switch on it. Old Squatch 253 would have a fit over that right there. Throttle handle still there. Yeah, I can't get a serial number off of this one, unfortunately. I bet it's on that other side. Pretty nice straight old tractor. Rare to see the rubber street pads. I bet it was used around here, one of these factories or something. Here's that generator. Here's the main bearing for the engine. There's a pulley down there just like the one I got sitting over there at the show. It's actually exactly like it. Old tag on that. The engine's got a nice chrome or nickel plated cover on it right there. Alright, head back over here.
Meet you all. I'm gonna see ya.
See ya. Get it figured out?
Take that side, I'll take this side. My shoulder won't let me do the other side.
Alright, so back from the show. I'm gonna film the end of it here. End of the video. Had a good time down there. That was the first time we've done that. Had a show down there at the Marathon. It was a pretty good time. They told me that they was going to try to do it last year, and it didn't work out last year, so they had it this year. It was same weekend as Adams, so I didn't go to the Tennessee Kentucky Threshmen show. I went down there to Nashville. So I had a really good time. I had the 82 6S. I had the NPR 4D. Y'all are gonna have to excuse the mess of this shop right now. I ain't cleaned it forever. I had the NPR 4D. I had the WM. I didn't take the NPR 6 or the ones that are still on the shelf, or the Fairbanks. I took what I could fit in the back of the truck. I did take the 72 and the PB and that pump right there that needs its own video. Also took the Model 31 Maytag. That done most of the running. This was the first Maytag that I ever bought. And I've had it for 6 years. It's been a good one. It's been to every show I've ever been to. It's never gotten left out. It's always run. You can tell because of how much grease is on it. This done most of the running. This ran probably, I got there about 9 o'clock, got set up about 9:30. It probably ran from 9:30 till noon. It ran out of gas about 10:30, 11 o'clock, and I filled it back up, and it probably ran till 1 or 2 o'clock actually, because it ran 3 tanks of gas through it. but it was sitting at a slight downhill angle, so the gas was wanting to run to the front of the tank. I didn't run the 82 because I didn't know if I could get it to run. I think the coil needs to be rewound. It seems to be kind of weak. I'm going to try to get it started here before long. I'll try to have it running for the next one. We're going to do this again in October. We're going to go have another show at the marathon. And I'm going to take more. I'm going to take more than I did yesterday. Next time the Fairbanks will be there. And if I can ever get this finished, this will be there running. So 6S, I ran 2 tanks of gas through this, so it's thoroughly broke in now. This run for every bit of 5 hours. So it is thoroughly broke in now. I do want to change the oil on it before I run it anymore. Just because basically got the break-in oil in it, same oil that's been in it since I put it together. It is still absolutely just clear and clean though, but yeah, I'll change that for it. Gets much more runtime on it. I need to do the same thing to the NPR 4D, and that WM needs the oil changed as well. But Marathon Motor Works is it's not just a museum. It's they have other stuff in there. They have little shops and stores. You can buy trinkets. You can buy anything you want in the shape of a guitar for, Nashville. And they got places in there where you can try whiskey, moonshine, and buy it, whatever you want. They got all kinds of different drinks. They got a place where you can try wine if that's what you like, or buy it. And they've got a place, they got a tattoo shop in there. They've got any kind of little shop, trinkets. They've got a little restaurant in there, I think. They've got all kinds of stuff in that place, and it's really, really neat the way they got it set up. So I want to thank Brian for inviting me down there. He's the one that invited me down there. We spent part of the day trying to get some kind of big hit and miss engine running. I'd never seen a tag on it to see what kind it was. It was about an 8 horsepower, 8 or 10 horse. We never could get it to stay running. It needed a check valve and a fuel tank. They're going to try to get that straightened out for the next show. I don't know if I'm going to go to any more shows other than the one in October. I will be there. I don't know what day it's going to be on yet, but I will be at the show that they're going to have in October. So whenever they figure out what day that is, I will be sure to let everybody on YouTube know. I'll make a short and say when it's going to be and everything. I wasn't sure we were going to have it this weekend. Reason I didn't make a short beforehand. But come up this weekend, and they all said, "Hey, come on down here. We're gonna do it Saturday." So I went on down there. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you're ever in Nashville and you own the tour bus or whatever, be sure you stop at the Marathon Motor Works and check that place out. It's really neat. A lot of history there. That'll be it for this video, and we'll see you on the next one.